Hello and welcome to Financial Freedom, where we talk about saving money, making money, and watching money grow. And today I'll show you exactly step by step how to see if you have any unclaimed money owed to you. So let's hop over to the computer. All right, guys, so we're going to go here to, as you see, USA.gov /unclaimed money. And when you're on this website, what I want you to do is scroll down where it says States Unclaimed Property Office. And when you click here, it's going to take you to unclaimed.org. Once you're on this page, what I want you to do is go to the middle of the page, and right here, I want you to actually look for your state. Once you click on your state, it would take you to the page where you actually put in your information. So right here, I will go to search now, and then here, I would type in a name. Now, I went on here earlier just to find a name that actually had some money due to them. And Martin and John. Why I chose this name, I have no idea. And then I clicked here. And as you can see, when it comes up, it will have all different people that have the name John Martin. And it will show you their address here. And it will show you here actually who they are owed money from. So you see here, New York Department of Tax and Finance, Toyota, Prudential. And this is where you proceed to put in your Social Security number. Now, one thing I do want to point out, if I go back to the home page here, what I want you guys to do is to make sure right here it says search tips. And it's going to tell you when you're searching for your name, make sure you guys are searching all kinds of ways. So you would check Jane Doe -Smith, Doe Smith with no hyphen, then Doe Smith all together. Make sure you do your first name, your last name, your last name, your first name. And also they explain here that if you know that your name, like my last name is frequently misspelled. So if you know that your last name is misspelled, make sure you're also checking however that name may be misspelled. Also, it tells you here, if you was living in a city like Brooklyn, make sure you put in that abbreviation. Another thing I want you guys to do, whatever your name is, make sure you include beneficiary or estate of, just in case someone left you something that you may not know about. That would be real nice, right? I don't know what that little thing was, but anyway, if you go back here to the main page, you scroll down, and if you lived in multiple states, I want you guys to make sure that you use this tab here. Once you're on this website, missingmoney.com, and I'll leave a link to all these websites down below also. But once you're here, you will put in your name and you will click search. Now, one last thing that I want you guys to look at is if you go back to the main page, USA.gov /unclaimed money, there are so many different types of categories that you can actually check to see if there's money owed to you. So let's look. If I go down here, right here, you see that, yes, it shows for if you have multiple states that you might have lived in that you want to search at one time. But if you go further down here, you see you can search to see if you have any unpaid wages. The Department of Labor, if they owe you any type of back money, you can go actually here and check their database. Then if you go down here, if you have any type of money owed from pensions from former employers, you can check here if your employer went out of business and they owe you money. Here, this right here is for any current VA or any former policy holders or their beneficiaries. So remember when I told you to check your name with beneficiary, you can actually go here to check to see if you have any money with the VA. If you go further down, you can actually click here. If you have an FHA mortgage, you can check to see if you overpaid. Go further down, another type of fund that you can check for to see if the IRS owes you any money. You can go there. If there was any type of bank closures or any type of financial institution where they actually owe you money, you can check it also here. The same thing with credit unions. You can go and check to see if there was some situation where you didn't close that bank account and you had money sitting in there. You can actually go to this website to check to see if they owe you money. Also here, you see they have the savings bonds right here. If you had any type of savings bonds that you didn't turn back in, or say, you know, you little and your parents or your aunt, your uncle, they get you savings bonds. So if you have any type of savings bonds in your name, you can go here to treasuryhunt.gov and check to see if you have money there. So guys, there are many ways that you can actually have money owed to you. Say if you left a security deposit with an apartment that you moved into and you moved out and didn't get your security deposit back, you can go here and find out if there's money due to you. So please, this is real. This is not a scam. My husband checked. He actually had 2 checks on there. So guys, I want you to rest assured, if anybody calls you up and say, oh, we found this money in your name, and yes, it can be true, but you do not have to pay anyone to go check and claim your money. You can do it on your own just by going to these websites. So guys, please go check your name, and if you find any money, please just leave me a comment down below. That would just make my day. And guys, as you know, I'm just starting out on YouTube, and I am really trying to work hard to get 1,000 subscribers. I'm up to 82. I'm almost at 100. Can you just share this video with just one person? And until next time, always remember that knowledge is power. You don't know until you know. Strive to learn one new thing each day.